I live next to a pond and we used to hear frog songs, but now we don't hear them anymore. Why not? And this is Betty from Memphis, Tennessee. So, Ms. Betty, we have Mary here with us today, and she's gonna tell us why we don't hear those frog songs anymore.
Yeah, and unfortunately, it's becoming more prevalent that we're not hearing so many frogs. And it's actually for all amphibians, so frogs, toads, salamanders. And the reason is that they are struggling right now with things like habitat destruction. But more importantly, especially because the pond's still there, it probably has to do with pesticides, because these animals can absorb things through their skin. And so they're environmental indicators that something is going on in that habitat. So something's happening, whether that's runoff getting into the pond, whether it's pesticides getting, killing off the food sources for these animals. I think it's around a third of amphibians right now are in danger of extinction. So it's a big issue, but there are some things that we can do to help amphibian populations. We can plant native. I'm a big proponent of planting native to attract our native pollinators, reduce our use of pesticides, especially near waterways. And if you can, you can put in your own pond that you have control over that's not, say, a neighboring pond that could have runoff or something like that in it.
Wow. That's good stuff, Mary, but it's pretty unfortunate. It is.
You get a lot of, when I was living in the country with my granddad, we'd hear him all the time, making that noise. So I know, I never thought about that.
Yeah.
I never thought that's good information.
Yeah, that's real good.
Yeah, I never thought
appreciate
about that.
Yeah. Mary, so there you have it, Miss Betty. Yeah, we got a lot of work to do, right?
Yeah.
Kind of change that habitat, for our amphibians. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.